Hi friends, welcome to Rianza Bakes. Today I've come with an eggless custard cake. It is made in pressure cooker and it is very easy to make. We are not using any oil or butter to make this cake. It is a bakery style eggless custard cake. The cake is super delicious and so soft and spongy. To make this cake, first we have to take half cup of sugar in a pan and 2 cups of milk. Now we'll boil this milk till it is reduced to half the volume. It will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Keep stirring the milk so that it doesn't stick to the bottom and get burnt. Now the milk is reduced to half its volume. Now we'll switch off the flame and allow it to cool down. Now it has cooled down. Into this we'll add the dry ingredients. 1 cup of maida or all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 2 tablespoons of custard powder. Here I have taken vanilla flavored custard powder. We'll mix it well and sift it. Add a pinch of salt also and mix it well. To make it into a smooth batter, we'll add some milk. Here I am adding half a cup of milk. So totally we have taken 500 ml of milk. While adding the milk, add little by little so that you get the right consistency. We'll mix this into a smooth batter without any lumps. This should be the consistency of the batter. Now into the batter we can add tutti frutti or nuts or any fruits or chocolate chips or anything of your choice. Now here I am adding 3 tablespoons of tutti frutti which is dusted with flour so that it doesn't sink while baking. Now we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix it into the batter. Meanwhile, I have kept a griddle to preheat on the stove. Today we are baking the cake in the pressure cooker, not in the oven. So I have preheated a griddle. Here into the pressure cooker lined with parchment paper, we'll transfer the batter. I've taken a 2-liter pressure cooker. If baking in oven, you can bake at 180 degrees Celsius in a 6-inch or 7-inch pan. Add half teaspoon of pineapple essence and mix well. This should be added while mixing the batter. Now we'll sprinkle some tutti frutti and bake this on the stove top on the preheated griddle. We'll place the lid after removing the gasket and the weight. Close it and bake it for about 30 to 40 minutes. Before 30 minutes, just check it. By 30 minutes, the cake was perfectly baked. We'll remove it onto a plate. It's such a simple recipe with very few ingredients, and the cake is so soft and spongy. Please do try the recipe and let me know how it turns out. The cake has turned out so soft and fluffy. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.